today we're going to make this southern prawn biryani. Look at this prawns with the coconut flavor, and the aroma is just too good. Delicately toss them over, and that nice green color and the aroma is so pleasant and beautiful. Whenever I'm making biryani, I always add rice carefully. Just add few pieces of prawn, some more of onion, lime juice on top. The prawn biryani, super flavorful, naturally with the coconut oil, the curry leaf and everything, along with this chilli and the prawns, it will be so good. Hello, namaste, salam alaikum, sat sri akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef, and today we're going to make southern biryani. You can use chicken and everything for this, but today we're going to make this southern prawn biryani. So for this, the biryani masala, what we are going to do is, with the curry leaves and all that, but let me show you. First, we're going to add the cinnamon in a blender, add bay leaf, clove, cardamom, star anise, peppercorn. In this, we're going to add a little bit of fenugreek, the methi seeds, but very little, because you have to understand with methi leaves, even a very small percentage of bitterness, your tongue will immediately detect. So, the bitterness always has to be low in any of your cooking. Add jeera, coriander seeds, and also when you are blending this, always make it fresh. Just put the curry leaves in this, and all the 7 flavors, including the umami flavor, get detected by your tongue. So you have to adjust the seasonings in such a way that the combination has to be tasty, and this is just perfect for the prawn biryani. Now here is the masala what I have done. Because of the curry leaves, I added little extra also. It gets that green color. This biryani has that nice, awesome, strong aroma of curry leaves also. In this, add prawns, add turmeric, salt, some chilli flakes. Coconut oil will really enhance the flavor. Add some coconut oil, mix all of this in a hot pan, saute it little bit, which we are going to add on top of the rice in layers. Look at this, prawns with the coconut flavor, and the aroma is just too good. In a hot pan, just add the prawns, saute it for 2 minutes on both sides. Look at that, just delicately toss them over, and that nice green color and the aroma is so pleasant and beautiful. Now the prawns are done. We're going to keep it aside, and we're going to let the prawns cook further along with the rice. First, let's make the masala for this biryani in a pan. For cooking the rice, add some oil in the water, and as I always do, make sure you add the right amount of salt. This has to be like sea salt water, and today I'm going to use the draining method. Draining method is you cook the rice till the rice is almost 95% done. In the hot boiling water, add basmati rice that has been soaked for at least 20 minutes. Once you add this rice to the water, bring this to a nice boil. In the meanwhile, let me make the masala for this. For making the masala, you can use coconut oil or the other oil. Just add little oil. In this, we're going to add juliennes of onions, add finely chopped ginger, add finely chopped garlic. And in this, we're going to get the flavor of lemon. So I have taken the lemon zest, and I'm going to add to this. Add salt, green chilli, and also, you can add little curry leaf to this. Let's saute it for 2-3 minutes. We're going to add some cashew nut paste. This is done only in this southern style of biryani. This will get stuck at the bottom, so be careful. So let it cook along with these onions. The masala, whatever we did, we added some with the prawns, and the rest of it you can add here. This one will give a very nice green color, and we're going to let this cook on a slow flame. In the meanwhile, our rice is also getting cooked. Cashew nut paste is also going to get cooked slowly. In this, add tomatoes and nuts. This cashew nut and fried kishmish, both of them fried. Add to this. Add some water. Take half of this masala and keep it on a plate. Just half the masala is at the bottom. In the leftover masala, we're going to add some coconut milk to this. That will give the rich flavor. Make sure that the rice is almost done. Add rice, and look at the way, whenever I'm making biryani, I always add rice carefully. 1 layer of rice like this. Then we're going to add some of the prawns, which we have fried already. Just add few pieces of prawn. Some brown onion, some chopped coriander, again another layer of rice. We're going to add the masala. what we have kept aside with the cashew nut and all that masala. Look at this. This is like full flavored masala. Just spread it with this onion, with this chili, everything. On top of it, add the prawns and the masala. Don't waste any of this flavorful masala. Everything goes on top. And the final layer of rice. At this stage, add some more of onion. Of course, I'm going to squeeze in some lime juice on top. That will give that nice, very refreshing flavor, and some chopped coriander. Just put the lid on and on a slow flame, let it be there for 5-7 minutes and switch off. After that, the prawns are going to be super done. The rice is going to be perfect, and I'm going to serve you when this is all done. The prawn biryani, super flavorful, naturally with the coconut oil, the curry leaf and everything. And we also did the trick. And the rice, the color, so the little bit of greenish color because of the curry leaf, masala, everything. Even the prawn pieces are perfectly cooked. Prawn biryani has to be eaten nice and hot, along with this green chili, the coconut, the sweetness, everything. Even when you get a raisin in your mouth, along with this chili and the prawns, it will be so good. The entire rice is full flavorful. All I tell you, this is one awesome southern prawn biryani. Make it, there is many ways. With the way we fried the prawns and everything, makes it excellent. Foolproof, excellent and perfect. Dear friends, all I say is keep cooking, make great food, and when you eat the best of the best food, you got to say VahRehVah. Even the prawn pieces are spiced perfectly. Great combination. Try this and let me know how it came for you. Watch another VahRehVah magic with Chef Mani.